Welcome everyone, I'm Fausto Carnevale, International Tax Consultant. In this video I will do a case studies. In particular I will say to you what happens if you live in Italy and you already live in Italy, maybe you already registered to the municipality and you continue to do business with your company which is located abroad. And I'm doing this video, this very quick video, because we have several cases and we have also clients that contacted us and basically they live in Italy, let's say since 2022 or beginning of 2023, and for the whole year, so for 1 or 2 years, let's say for example for multiple years, they were continuing to invoicing from a company abroad. And I will explain to you in 1 second why this is considered not legal in Italy. So first thing, you can of course have a company in any part of the world. You can have a company in the UK, in France, in Belgium. But if you do one business, one job who is related to your, let's say to make it easier, you are a consultant, you are an IT, so you work from home and you don't need basically business, a physical business located in one country, there is no reason why you should work from one country having a company abroad. We already talked in this YouTube channel about the esterovestizione, which is basically the rare case, the unlikely event when the tax authority in Italy recognize your company located abroad as if it was in Italy. Of course, why they do this? To charge you more taxes, to do a reconciliation in terms of taxes, because their assumption is that you should not work abroad with your company if you live in Italy. Different cases, of course, if you are only one shareholder of a company, 1/3, but if you work as IT, you have a company, for instance, I don't know, in Romania, you decide to invoice all with the company in Romania, this might be considered as esterovestizione. The good thing to do when you live in Italy is to open a company in Italy. A company or okay, let's put it simple, to have a VAT number, because it's not a company, actually it's yourself as a physical person. Again, here I invite you to watch our videos about the Forfait Regime and the Forfait Regime. So this is the correct way. Now, practically speaking, what happens if you did 1 year those things? You should redeclare everything in Italy. Okay, you could, but there are so many sanctions, so many fines that we advise normally we pretend you didn't do this. But long term, you should close your company that you have abroad and start invoicing from Italy. Again, unless there is a reason why the company is located in another country. If this is a restaurant, of course you should have the company located in that country. You can work with the restaurants in Italy, okay, with a legal entity in Italy. So this is the thing that you need to consider. Please remind to do not this mistake. We had a couple of cases. One case was from a person who invoiced from the company in the States and she was living in Italy. For her, we decided to do not do anything, because if in Italy you forgot to send a tax return, the tax return is considered, the word is omesso. So you didn't do it, you cannot change the year after. So if I forgot to do my tax declaration in 2021, now I can't do anything. I just can wait that they send me the letter with the taxes to pay. This is of course automatic when you have a revenue which can be classified easy, like a rental contract registered, or like I don't know, you are an employee and you forgot to send a declaration, but this is strange because your employer do it for you. If you don't do the invoices, they cannot say automatically that you forgot to send the declaration, of course, unless they check in your bank account. But they can check only in your Italian bank account. It will be difficult to check in the bank account from abroad. But they could. And I am sure that if you live in Italy for more than 2-3 years, at the end, they can start to think why you don't invoice anything. I also had one case like this. So they asked the client to show them the proof of income. So they ask them, how can you live in Italy with no money? Okay, you are invoicing from abroad. Did you declare your money in Italy because you are a tax resident in Italy? You didn't declare? That's the problem now. That's the problem that you will have to afford. And remember, if you don't pay the taxes in Italy, the fines are between 120 and 240% of the taxes that you forget to declare. Of the taxes, not of the amount. The fine is on the taxes that you didn't pay. Double or triple, more than triple the taxes. Because you have to pay the taxes plus the fine. So please, 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 if you live in Italy and you are still invoicing from abroad, check your situation as soon as possible. In fact, you can contact us via email at info@esentaxa.com to ask for more information. We have offices in Italy. We know how the Italian tax authorities works, so we can support you, and in case we need to send a letter to the Agenzia delle Entrate, we can do it in a very quick time. So until next time, Fausto Carnevale, enjoy your stay in Italy.